God. OMG. Oh, perfect. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Rocker Page Official is here again for another reaction video and commenting. So for today, we're gonna react to the first ever episode 1 of the newest Thai BL series entitled Physical Therapy, together with the two Thai lead actors. We have Sun Ravitsut and Paige Jakapit. Alright, so I am very excited to watch this episode 1. Let's find out. Sabay-sabay na natin panoorin, guys. And later, I will give my final comment about this episode 1 of Physical Therapy. But before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and of course, like and share. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is it. The first ever episode 1 of Physical Therapy. So the two lead characters of this series, we have Milk and Poon.
예, 이제 막 도착했어요. 네. 이번 주에 끝나니까 끝나면 바로 들어갈게요. 서운하네요. 아직 오픈 주 2달밖에 안 됐잖아요. 네. 그냥 바꿔드릴게요.
Oh, oh my goodness. He is so handsome. And I think he is Poon. And the other one, yung kanina is Milk. It look like pabilpom. Yeah. May kahawig siya ng konti kay pabilpom. Yeah, true. Meron siya talagang kahawig, guys. Korean? Ah, yeah, Korean.
요즘 뭔가 활동가. may mga ano nga eh. เดี๋ยวก็รู้แต่ก็ไม่มีปัญหาคุณเกือกสวัสดีครับ
Yeah, Milk.
เจอครับไม่เป็นไรเดี๋ยวผมกลับโรงแรมก่อนก็ได้ครับเราค่อยบอกคุณวิวให้มาหาผมที่โรงแรมแล้วกันนะครับไม่ต้องซีเรียสกันเองโอเคเดี๋ยวเจอกันนะครับครับ
Huh? Okay. And he is Milk, one of the lead characters of this series, Physical Therapy. Wait. This guy is, meron din siyang kamukha, guys. I think ngayon is under GMM TV artist. I forgot the true name of those Thai actor. Pero yung kadalasan niyang ginagawang BL series is under GMM TV. Itong guy na to, I don't know who is the characters. I mean, it's hard to explain to you guys while speaking to English because I am not fluent to speak in English.
แล้วตลอดบ่ายมึงดูแลลูกค้าให้ดีเลยนะเพราะมึงไม่ได้ไปรับเขาตั้งแต่เช้าที่สนามบิน
Yeah, meron talaga siyang kamukha
ยกเลิกงานของเราขึ้นมา
na GMM TV artist. I forgot the exact name of those Thai actor.
ค่าเงินเดือนของเราก็ต้องจ่ายด้วยไหนจะค่าซัพพลายเออร์อีกอะไม่ตลกเว้ย ขอโทษ
Mel is so cute.
ไม่สัญญานะ
In fairness, I love her face.
พูดดีขึ้นเองอะเรื่องเองว่าเดี๋ยวมันก็กลับมามันยังมีเรื่องที่ต้องเคลียร์ของเราอยู่เว้ยชื่อ
Ache?
อยู่ในกรรมการบริษัทของเราอยู่
Okay.
เชี่ยเอ้ยทำไมต้องมีเรื่องอะไรมาเกิดขึ้นแบบนี้ตอนนี้ด้วยวะ
So by the way guys, I am so sorry for a little bit noisy on my background audio. I don't know why. Kasi dun sa kabilang bahay, ang lalakas ng mga boses. So rinig na rinig dito sa amin. So I'm so sorry for that. The most important thing is we're just focusing in our reaction video for the first ever episode 1 of Physical Therapy. And this is the newest Thai BL series right now. What happened to your arm? In fairness, ang gwapo talaga ni ni Mel. Diba? Kapag tinititigan mo siya always, mas lalo siyang gumagwapo.
security อ่ะประชุมพรุ่งนี้อ่ะมึงแก้บอร์ดให้พวกมันยังวะ ไปแดกเป่าบนรถเลย ไปเร็วลุก
Tinda pa. Nagmamadali. Ah. Oh my god. Open. Oh my god. See, diba? May kahawig talaga siya. Tama talaga ako, guys. Titigan mo yung mukha ni Pon. Kahawig talaga niya ng konti si Pavel Pom, which is isa sa mga lead actor doon sa Two Moon Season 2. Diba? Kahawig talaga niya in fairness. Oh my god. Oh, oh, huh? Lakas ng mga boses ng mga kapitbahay namin. Oh my god. Oh. Mhm. Uy, nakakatunaw yung tingin ni Pon. Ah, hindi mo alam kung kinikilig si Pon or oh my goodness. First ever episode 1 pa lang nakakakilig na promise.
ไม่เป็นไรครับค่อยๆกินก็ได้ผมขอไปห้องน้ำก่อนนะเดี๋ยวเราสองคนเคยเจอกันมาก่อนปะ
Hmm?
ไม่นะครับผมว่าไม่นะ
Tayo na tuloy. Oh, pupunta pala siya sa toilet. Mhm.
จะเลี้ยงก็รอนก่อนนะไม่ได้สั่งเยอะกว่านี้เอาว่าก็ได้นะใจอ่ะไม่เป็นไรจัดการได้เดี๋ยว เรารบกวนอะไรหน่อยได้ไหม
May barrier phone. Yun lang pala. Mhm. Who's calling? Ache.
มันไม่รับโทรศัพท์เราอ่ะ
Grabe. Ang hirap niya na. Di ba? Karga-karga pa niya si Milk habang nagbubukas ng pintuan si Paul. Ay! Oh my Oh my God! OMG! Oh, perfect. Lako. Si Puwek, I think yun yung ano palaging kasama ni Mel na lalaki. Yung sinabi ko kanina guys na may kamukha siya na Thai actor din na under GMMTV artist. Yun, si Puwek. And how about this guy? I don't know who is he. I forgot the character's name of this guy, but he is so cute, and I think he is a Korean actor or what? Half, half Korean and half Thai. Ang pula ng lips ni Mel. Ay, akala ko kung ano na. Oh my goodness. Mhm. 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 Oh my god, I love the t-shirt of Boone and I love the color. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Lakas ng chemistry nila guys in fairness. Wala na siyang naalala. Wala na siyang naalala kung ano nangyari dun. Di ba?
ห้องในเหรอ
What about
ห้อง
this?
นี้อะใช่เปลี่ยนให้คุณเอง
It changes it
อะไร
might.
นะทำไมทำแบบนี้อ่ะแบบนี้มันลุกล้ำสิทธิของคนอื่นชัดอ่ะ
Oh, violates my rights.
ถ้าคุณเป็น
Violate na kaagad. Violates my rights na kaagad. Pinihisan lang. Nagwo-worried siya kasi nga, di ba? Baka nakita yung tutukin.
แล้วคุณก็อ้วกด้วยแล้วนาย
So what did you say?
เห็นอะไรบ้างอ่ะ
Yung mga tanong kanya. Nag-iisip si Poon. Oh my goodness. Simple lang yung smile ni Pon, pero ang lakas ng dating. Diba? Oh, wow. Fried chicken.
ไปนอนกับโดซาน
I think hindi pa alam ni Mel kung nga itong si Poon ay isang doktor. Pero in fairness wala sa ano niya, sa outfit. Yung ano, ay, you know, yung panuno yung pagsusuot ng damit itong si Poon. Parang hindi siya, ano tawag nito, elegante, di ba? Na mataas yung profession. Diba? Alam naman natin doctor, di ba? Alam naman natin kung paano kumilos ang isang doctor, di ba? And pagdating din sa dress, di ba? Elegante na elegante. So, ito ngayon, so hindi mo talaga maisip na he is a doctor kasi wala lang, natural yung suot niya, then ganun.
ไม่เคยนะก็จะไปทีไรอ่ะก็มีเรื่องให้ไม่ได้ไปทุกทีเลยแต่เราอยากไปมากๆเลยนะอยากไปหลายๆเมืองเลย
Gwapo talaga niya. Poon. I love him so much. Oh my god, and I think this series is one of my favorite BL series right now, this year 2022. Yeah, I love this series. And of course, Paint with Love, and then the other series is the season 2 of Chinwai. So, do you like it?
กินง่ายดีอะ
Easy to eat.
ยืด
You don't have to just swallow.
ไม่ได้ต้องเคี้ยวด้วย
Can do that. Have to chew it.
ระบบย่อยทำงานหนัก
Would be burden on the digestive system. O, di ba alam niya? Kasi doctor siya eh.
หนอนไงไปเลยห้องได้แล้วเสร็จแล้วอะไรอ่ะ
What are you doing?
ปล่อยเลยนะโอ๊ยโอ๊ยเจ็บโอ๊ยปล่อยเลยนะ
Siyempre alam niya, di ba? Alam niya kung paano anuhin. Kasi doctor siya eh. And never pa man alam ni Milk na doctor itong si Poon. Your friend left the note for you. It's Noik. Yeah. The best friend of Milk. Have a sweet dreams. Oh my goodness. Have a sweet dreams. Did he see everything? Sister.
สวยค่อยเล่าแล้วกันเจ๊ไม่ต้องบอกพ่อกับแม่นะอย่าให้เขาเป็นห่วงรักเจ๊นะเริ่มมาแล้ว
คุณมิวขอโทษที่ให้นอนนะ
Hinahanap niya si Poon.
คือพอดีว่าปัดเขา
Poon has already gone back to China.
ครับพ่อเขาโทรมา
His father called him. Might be urgencies.
ผมว่าน่าจะเป็นเรื่องแฟนนะครับ
Girlfriend?
ด้วยแล้วสวยเลยครับ
Oh.
ไม่น่าเชื่อ
Hmm? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Sabagay, kasi si Milk, di ba, meron ng jowa. Di ba, yung si Ake. And then, ito namang si Poon he is, of course, my girlfriend na. And in fairness, mayaman daw yung girlfriend. And she is the sister of Milk. And Furniture's pretty. Mm-hmm. Nung work nila. Hmm? Ano to, design? Oh, oh, ang sweet, in fairness. Iniisa-isa niya yung lagyan ng ano, kumot. Mhm. Wait. And I think he is the boyfriend of Mel, which is Ake. Well, I think so. She? I forgot. He is the boyfriend of Mel, Ake. Mhm. Oh, he's so cute. Look at Chinito guy. And this one, OMG, a lot of handsome boy of this series, physical therapy. And what is that? Fruits? Dragon fruit, and then the other one, I don't know. Anong tawag? Ay, pinya? Pineapple? Yeah. Dragon fruit and pineapple. Mhm. Ang ingay ng kapitbahay namin, guys. I'm so sorry for that.
ไม่เป็นไรมีฝากนิดหน่อย
Everyone waiting to sign the what, I don't know if it's a contract or uh finally.
เอาละครับทุกคนตอนนี้เนี่ยโมโลแลนด์ฟิล์มและฮาร์ปแอปเปิลอิงก็เป็นบริษัท
Had been merged into one company. Ah, okay. So ano pala to yung tawag nito, partnership contract. Yun yung pinirmahan ni Milk for the two companies.
อ้าว
Mm-hmm.
นี่ครับเจ้าของงานของเรา
And who is this girl?
นะครับทุกคนนี่คือคุณโรเซ่ไม่ได้มา
Rose.
จากเธอปุ๊บ
She's not part of
หัวใจ
but in moments.
สุดๆเพื่อได้เจอเธอโอ้โห
Rose.
ว่าเป้อะค่ะมีงานของที่
Work
บ้าน
from my
นะคะ
family
ก็จะเป็นแบบ
business. A sort of renovation.
อะไรอย่างเงี้ยค่ะ
Ah, okay.
ก็เป็นแผนกหนึ่งของโรงพยาบาลนี่นะคะก็จะดูแลในเรื่องของสุขภาพแบบองค์รวมทั้งหมดใช้ชื่อว่า Integrated Wellness การ
Okay.
ทำแบรนดิ้งครั้งเนี้ยอยากให้ทุกคนทำออกมาทำให้คนที่มาใช้งานเนี่ย
And furnish is pretty.
มาแล้วดี
Rose.
ที่อยากจะให้น้องๆทานคิดโค้ดแบบนี้ทั้งหมด4 เดือนก่อนที่เราจะลอนช์แคมเปญแรก
And ang hilig-hilig talaga nila ng ano, no, uminom ng milk tea.
แต่ว่า
I have condition. Mm-hmm. What kind of condition?
เฮ้ยทำไรอ่ะ
Mm-hmm.
ถ้ามิวไม่อภัยพวกเราอ่ะ เราจะคุกเข่าตลอดไปแล้วนั่งภายในอ่ะดูกันให้น้อยๆหน่อยนะไม่ควรเลยใช่ปะ
Oh, what our friends are for.
งานที่เราคุยเมื่อกี้นะ
Yeah, he is so cute. Chineto. And also this one, yung nakakulay blue na t-shirt.
เราไม่ให้บอกใครว่าคุณมาจากที่นี่ด้วยวะก็ถ้าเราอยากรู้ว่าเขาจะทำกับเราแบบไหนเนี่ย เราก็ต้องปิดบังบางอย่างไว้ไม่ให้เขารู้ เราจะได้รู้ว่าเขาปฏิบัติกับเรายังไง
Mm-hmm. Milk. Ah! Boom! Oh my god, there we go! Ay! So ayun nga guys, na napanood natin ang first ever episode 1 ng Physical Therapy together with the two Thai lead actors. So we have Sun Rabitsut and Peach Jakapit. And now magbigay tayo ng konting komento ukol sa ating napanood for this episode 1 of Physical Therapy. In fairness, sobrang clickable yung tandem or yung love team dito, which is sina Melk and Pun. And of course, pareho silang dalawa na may karelasyon, 'di ba? Si Milk meron siyang karelasyon na si Ake, and then si Pun naman is my girlfriend. Kaso nga lang kay Milk is complicated yung kanyang yung karelasyon niya which is nga itong si Ake. I don't know kung hiwalay na ba sila or something, mag-boyfriend pa. Okay? So, yun. First ever episode 1 pa lang dito sa physical therapy, guys. Sobrang ganda na and nakakakilig yung eksena, every scene dito sa physical therapy. And I'm very excited sa mga susunod pang episode, which is the episode 2 ng physical therapy. So, malamang marami pa tayong mapapanood na mga kilig scene, mga kissing scene, mga bed scene, or I think sofa scene or bathroom scene, yung ganun. So, let's find out, guys. Sabay-sabay natin yan panoorin sa mga susunod na episode dito sa physical therapy. And again, guys, ang physical therapy ay mapapanood nyo po sa Gaga Uulala app. And I think naka-VIP membership siya. So, kung gusto nyo yung mapanood ito, every episode, yung present and of course yung previous episode, ay kailangan nyo lang po mag-avail ng VIP membership sa Gaga Uulala app. And I think hindi siya naka-free. And lahat naman siguro ng mga BL series, especially for a Thai BL series na pinapalabas sa Gaga Uulala app, kasi naka-VIP lahat. Since sa Paint with Love, naka-VIP din siya. Naka-VIP din ang Love Area Part 2, and ito rin naka-VIP. So, kung gusto nyo mapanood yung mga bagong Thai BL series na nire-release sa Gaga Uulala app, ay kailangan nyo po mag-avail ng membership or VIP membership dun mismo sa account nyo sa Gaga Uulala app. Okay? So, yeah, I am very excited na mapanood yung mga iba pang episode dito sa physical therapy. And yung ibang mga characters naman dito is syempre hindi ko pa kilala. So far, I think we have Mel, Poon, Ake, which is yung boyfriend ni Mel. And then, I forgot the character's name ng isa. Yes, so I think tatlo pa lang yung aking na-memorize dito sa mga characters name dito sa physical therapy. Di ba sinabi ko din sa inyo kanina, guys, na itong si, which is yung kaibigan ni Mel, yeah, I forgot the character's name. May kamukha talaga siya, guys, in fairness. Under siya ngayon sa GMMTV Artist kasi every time na gumagawa siya ng BL series or mga non-BL series is GMMTV naman talaga nagpo-produce. So yun, under siya ng GMMTV. I forgot the exact full name of those Thai actor. Kamukha niya talaga, guys, in fairness. At saka itong si Poon, kamukha niya si Pavel Pum. Okay? So kung hindi nyo pa nakilala si Pavel Pum, guys, siya yung isa sa mga lead actor dun sa Tumon Season 2. And of course, i-follow nyo din siya sa mga social media account niya, guys, Pavel Pum. Talagang maano talaga kayo, masasabi niyo talaga na kamukha niya talaga itong si Pete, Jaka Pete, kay yun dun si Pavel Pum. So may kahawig talaga siya, guys, in fairness, 'di ba? Kapag tinititigan mo siya ng matagal, kahawig niya talaga itong si Pavel Pum. Okay? So I think that's all for our reaction video for today of the first ever episode 1 of the newest Thai BL series entitled Physical Therapy. And I hope na nagustuhan nyo to, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, click nyo na rin pang notification bell para updated kayo always sa mga susunod kong gagawing reaction video dito sa ating YouTube channel. God bless everyone, keep safe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!